So the story that continues to only raise more and more questions but zero answers is what's been happening within the Aam Aadmi Party. Many would say that this is sensational, this is very, very serious. But ladies and gentlemen, it's equally worrisome for the Aam Aadmi Party right now. Otherwise, what explains this huge radio silence by Arvind Kejriwal? What explains the fact that a party that stands for propriety, a party that has its genesis in an anti-corruption movement, and a party that says it's doing so much for women, for the youth of the country, is continuously silent when it comes to very, very serious allegations leveled by its own? Now, there is a lot of buzz that there is something more about the entire story. Now, on your screen are different characters as far as the story goes. You have Sanjay Singh, who just about last afternoon, remember, confirmed the assault. He said, "Badtamizi hui hai." He said there have been serious misconduct charges. And he also said the Chief Minister will act. But has the Chief Minister acted? The answer is no. Swati Maliwal is still missing. Now, our teams have been trying to track her, but no luck. Multiple messages going out to her. The police team also trying to get in touch with her, but absolutely no luck when it comes to Swati. Now, why is Swati quiet? Earlier, there has also been that entire buzz of what many are saying is a secret meeting that happened between Sanjay Singh and Swati Maliwal. So is there being, some kind of pressure right now that is being used to ensure that Swati Maliwal continues to remain silent? And why is Sanjay Singh trying to douse this entire fire when Arvind Kejriwal is silent? A lot has moved on the entire story, many questions only. The Congress has also responded. The Congress says that they hope Swati Maliwal will come forward and there is going to be justice for her in the entire case. But the BJP says that there is more to the story than what meets the eye. We have a number of reactions that have come in, not just from the BJP, but also, remember, from the Congress. So let's first up listen in to all the voices that we have so far on the story.
Rajya Sabha MP, a woman MP, being assaulted by Chief Minister's PA, so to speak. I know all the characters very well. It is impossible that Arvind Kejriwal's right-hand man, I should call him henchman because I know what he is like, would do so without being ordered by Kejriwal to do so. We also would like to know as to how Swati Maliwal is. Is she safe? Is she being intimidated? Is some kind of rapprochement or compromise is being sought?
Sanjay sir.
Sir, any further action, sir?
Sanjay sir.
Sanjay sir, कोई comment? Sanjay ji, कोई comment?
So you heard, you just saw Sanjay Singh has left after meeting Swati Maliwal at this particular location, and Vanna Singh was also there present with Sanjay Singh. Vanna was an active member of DCW, and this is the location where Aam Aadmi Party's MP Sanjay Singh had also reached.
So the last sequence that you just in fact saw playing out was the Rajya Sabha MP from the Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh. Our colleague Priyank was trying to speak to him, perhaps also wanting to know that where is that action 24 hours later? Why has Bibab Kumar not been sacked? Why is Arvind Kejriwal quiet? But the party, curiously, is very tight-lipped. They don't want to say anything. So there is clearly that iota of doubt that comes to our mind. Neoma Gupta is the BJP spokesperson with us. Kailash Adhikari is MD of Governance now joining us. We also have Mr. Mecca of the Congress with us, and Uma Sisodia, the leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, also with us. And as I say good evening to all of you, Uma ji, if you can hear me, I want to begin by asking you, कि क्या चल रहा है मैम? Serious allegations आप ही की पार्टी की राज्यसभा MP लगाती हैं और उन एलिगेशंस को 24 घंटे बाद संजय सिंह, एक और राज्यसभा एमपी, कंफर्म करते हैं कि ऐसा हुआ। लेकिन बावजूद उसके चीफ मिनिस्टर क्वाइट है, बावजूद उसके पुलिस कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती, और बावजूद उसके स्वाति मालेवाल, पीपल आर सेइंग मिसिंग। संजय सिंह अपेरेंटली हैज अ क्लोज डोर मीटिंग विद स्वाति मालेवाल। तो आप किस तरह का कॉम्प्रोमाइज उनसे करना चाह रहे हैं?
देखिए, आपने कहा कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिसिंग है। ये वाकई में बड़ा खतरनाक एलिगेशन है कि स्वाति मालीवाल आम आदमी पार्टी की राज्यसभा सांसद मिसिंग है,
तो
और पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर रही है। पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर रही है।
आप लोगों से बातचीत हुई है ना? आप ये कंफर्म कर रही है कि संजय सिंह और स्वाति मालीवाल की मीटिंग हुई है?
नहीं नहीं, आपने कहा ना सांसद मिसिंग है 2 दिन से, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा थ्रेट है। हमारी राज्यसभा की सांसद मिसिंग है, उनका अता पता नहीं चल रहा है और दिल्ली की पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर रही है। इतना बड़ा केस हो गया, राज्यसभा सांसद के ऊपर असॉल्ट हो गया और दिल्ली की पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर रही है।
उमा जी, देखिए अंग्रेजी में कहावत है, यू वांट टू रन विद द हेयर, यू वांट टू हंट विद द हाउंड। देखिए मैम, सीरियस एलिगेशंस है, आप ये मानती हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले जो असॉल्ट होता है मुख्यमंत्री के अपने घर पर, उनके अपने आवास पर, मुख्यमंत्री खामोश हैं। मुख्यमंत्री खामोश हैं, ऐसा क्यों?
कमजोर हो गया कि वो दिल्ली पुलिस से कह के हमारी राज्यसभा सांसद की रक्षा नहीं कर पा रहा है। तो ये तो बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है इस समय केंद्र सरकार के ऊपर है कि केंद्र सरकार की जो दिल्ली पुलिस है वो राज्यसभा सांसद को ना ढूंढ पा रही है, ना उनके असॉल्ट को वो कुछ कर पा रहे हैं। आप ईडी सीबीआई के छापे लगाते हैं, आप इतने सारे काम कर सकते हैं, तो आप एक एमपी को नहीं ढूंढ सकते।
अच्छा,
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी
नहीं, उमा जी रुकिए प्लीज, डोंट इंडल्ज इन व्हाट अबाउट री। उमा जी, यू आर मेकिंग वेरी लाइट ऑफ द एंटायर सिचुएशन। I expected a better response from the Aam Aadmi Party at least today, because देखिए अब आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि ये सब फर्जी एलिगेशन है, आप ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि भाजपा इसके पीछे है, because your own Rajya Sabha MP has confirmed these allegations. I want to know, why is the Chief Minister quiet, ma'am? Why has the Chief Minister not approached the police? Why has the Chief Minister not said that there should be action against Vibhav Kumar? Why has he not been sacked? Okay, I think we have some trouble with our audio line. I'm just going to get Umaji back. But Shyam Prasad Mehta, I mean, are you okay with this kind of a behavior that happened inside the Chief Minister's residence with the Rajya Sabha MP and the radio silence of the Chief Minister, Mr. Mehta?
No, I think their party has officially spoken about it. And Sanjay Singh has clearly told it, right? So what is there to doubt it? And but it's a question anybody with a sane mind will condemn these issues. And I think probably the Women Commission or somebody need to step in and figure out the issue.
You think this is a serious enough issue, at least for the Chief Minister to break his silence, Mr. Mehta?
I think it's up to Arvind Kejriwal to speak about this or not. And I don't think that's a very important thing, because Aam Aadmi Party officially already, Sanjay Singh condemned the issue and accepted the issue. Then where is the issue?
Mr. Mehta, you know, I hate to show the mirror to a lot of politicians when it comes to issues of women and women's safety. You know, not very long ago, even today morning, Uma ji and her party has used this entire issue to talk about what happened with wrestlers. Fair enough. You're raising a good point, but then you lose your entire veracity the moment you say it's okay. Arvind Kejriwal has condemned, you know, Sanjay Singh has condemned it. Arvind Kejriwal doesn't need to speak about it.
No.
How is the Congress or the AAP any different than from the BJP, Mr. Mehta?
See, Deepti, I am not trivializing it, simply saying it's okay, right? So what I'm saying is, I don't know, if I had been Arvind Kejriwal, I would have spoken about it, right? It's up to Arvind Kejriwal.
You should be more upfront about it. You know, I mean, at the end of it, AAP is still a junior player versus the Congress. Why should the Congress feel threatened that you can't say on national television, Kailash, that Arvind Kejriwal needs to break his silence? The Delhi police needs to act. And Swati Maliwal, where is she? Kailash. You'll have to unmute yourself, Kailash.
So sorry.
Yes,
so sorry.
go on, please.
Yeah. You raised a very pertinent point. And firstly, the Delhi Chief Minister needs to come out in the public and speak about it. Like he has to speak of all other issues. This is also one of the issues that he needs to address the public at. And this is what the Aam Aadmi Party, the truth of the Aam Aadmi Party has been exposed time and again in front of the public. Because first the heinous act of disgracing the honor of a woman has happened inside the premises of the Delhi Chief Minister's house. Secondly, the victim is herself a member of the Aam Aadmi Party and a former chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women. Thirdly, it has been done by none other than the person who is also the private secretary to the Delhi Chief Minister. I mean, also fourth, Mr. Sanjay Singh has come out in the public and said that yes, that they have admitted that this act has happened. Now, how much more can the Aam Aadmi Party stoop low? They need to come out and showcase and face the public's eye. That if their own party members, the women in their own party members are not safe, if their dignity, if their grace is not upheld, then what they can expect from the government of Aam Aadmi Party?
Okay, and Kailash, I am sure that then you believe that this is an issue that possibly could hurt the Aam Aadmi Party going ahead. Remember, Delhi is polling on the 25th. But Neoma, before I come to you, with your permission, I want to get Uma ji back because we had lost her audio midway. उमा जी, आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी तरह इस पूरे मुद्दे पर आगे कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए? मुझे ये बताइए, अगर संजय सिंह टेलीविजन कैमरास पे आकर ये कहते हैं कि बिप्लब कुमार के खिलाफ मुख्यमंत्री ने आदेश दिया है कि कार्रवाई हो, तो क्या कार्रवाई हुई है?
देखिए, मैं उसी बात को कह रही हूँ। मैं खुद चाहती हूँ कि कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, जो कल्प्रिट है उसको बाहर आना चाहिए। और दिल्ली पुलिस इस समय केंद्र सरकार के अंतर्गत है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि बीजेपी के जितने नेतागण यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं वो कल दिल्ली पुलिस के ऑफिस में जाएं और जाके रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दायर करें कि देखिए, राज्यसभा सांसद एक महिला के खिलाफ इतना बड़ा अत्याचार केजरीवाल जी के यहाँ हो गया, आप उसकी जांच कीजिए। जांच हो तो पता चले कि एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या है। आप कह रहे हैं कि राज्यसभा सांसद मिल नहीं रही है, तो क्या आपको चिंता नहीं है कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ क्या हो गया? क्या उनको पुलिस को ढूंढना नहीं चाहिए? बीजेपी के जो नेतागण इस समय सड़क पर हाय हाय के नारे लगा रहे हैं, अभी झंडे और सारे कैंपेन और पूरे नारेबाजी लिख रहे हैं, क्या उन लोगों को स्वाति मालीवाल जी को ढूंढने के लिए पुलिस में नहीं जाना चाहिए?
Uma ji, I need to pinch myself twice to hear that this is the Aam Aadmi Party. You know, this is the same Aam Aadmi Party जो said हम सबसे अलग है. But clearly your response today, I think will leave a lot of people shocked. Forget about any propriety from Arvind Kejriwal. Forget about any kind of propriety from the sitting chief minister. You are saying भाजपा से पूछिए कि action क्यों नहीं हो रहा. Let me get Neoma then into the conversation. Neoma, do you want this entire issue to play out, you know, as a build-up to the Delhi elections? What the AAP is alleging is that if you have a fit case, you believe this is a fit case, your Delhi police, why is it not suo moto taking action against Biplab Kumar? Go and arrest him.
It's so diabolical to see such a viewpoint. The fact that the woman was assaulted at the premises of Mr. Kejriwal. She made a call from the premises of Mr. Kejriwal's residence, and she accused his man Friday, because he doesn't have an official post. So the only terminology I can use correctly is man Friday, to assault her. And then to wait for 30 hours for such a grave matter as this. They waited for 30 hours before Sanjay Singh finally addressed a press conference for about 120 seconds acknowledging the incident. It was a mere formality which was done, to say the least. My questions, in fact, I have a barrage of questions in this episode. Why is Arvind Kejriwal quiet about it? He is out on interim bail. He is here for the purposes of press conferences and campaign. This is a point which should be addressed by a press conference immediately. Number one. Where is Swati Maliwal? She has always been vocal about all the different kinds of injustices which have taken place in Delhi. Today, in fact, her former husband has come out and said that there is a threat to her life. Okay, let's go a step further. Let's not take her just as a member of Rajya Sabha. Let's take her as a woman who's been assaulted in the chief minister's residence. Over here, you claim there will be a number of CCTV cameras for the protection of women. What are you doing in your own residence? Okay, the police should suo moto take action against this. The girl is obviously fear-mongering. She's either suffering from trauma, which is a clear-cut assumption, or there is a lot of political vendetta within the Aam Aadmi Party, which is causing some sort of reactions for her not to come out.
No, but Neoma, my limited point before I hit a break here is why is the Delhi police not acting? Why are you treating this entire issue with kid gloves? Why can't you go ahead and arrest this man?
Ma'am, Delhi police will act suo moto once they have a certain amount of data for them to take charge. That is for the Delhi police. But to belittle and say, I just want to know why is Mr. Kejriwal, who's been throwing it out of the park when it comes to press conferences on campaigning, not handling this situation, which requires immediate action. The girl was assaulted at your residence. What are you thinking? And by belittling it, by saying they are doing dharnas and all, I mean, I really feel sorry for their spokesperson to have such a narrow viewpoint.
Okay, I think, Kailash and Mr. Mecca would also agree that as Uma and Neoma really have put forward their point of view, this issue now, forget about the fact that it's about women's safety and some basic rights. This has actually become hugely political. On the other side of this quick break, we'll again go back and tell you what has happened so far within the AAP, and can the AAP treat this only as an internal matter, and why is the Delhi police not acting, when we come back. Welcome back. So we are discussing the curious case of Swati Maliwal and the radio silence of Arvind Kejriwal. Limited time, so I'm just going to request all our guests to keep their comments brief so everyone can have a word. उमा जी, आप क्या इसी तरह इसको ब्रेजन आउट करती रहेंगे? आपको लगता है कि क्या हुआ, मामला उठा, ऐसे ही दब जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, मीडिया सवाल पूछेगा, आप भाजपा पर सवाल उठाती रहेंगी?
देखिए, अभी मैं भाजपा की स्पोक पर्सन की बात सुन रही थी। जब आपने उनसे ये क्वेश्चन किया कि अभी तक पुलिस ने इस पर कोई एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया, तो उन्होंने कहा कि पुलिस के पास अभी एविडेंसेस नहीं है, पुलिस अभी देख रही है। और अरविंद केजरीवाल क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? देखिए, पुलिस का काम है कानून व्यवस्था। हम तो कह रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की बात मत सुनिए आप। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी,
लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल कुछ बोल ही तो नहीं रहे मैम, उनकी आवाज कोई कैसे सुनेगा? हर मुद्दे पर बोलते हैं, इस मुद्दे पर खामोश है। Mr. Mecca, do you have some serious advice for your ally in Delhi at least, Arvind Kejriwal?
Okay, so as far as this issue is concerned, I think the first thing is we need to ensure Ms. Swati is safe, and a women organization or somebody need to sumo to step in and figure out what actually happened. Other than that, I don't think I'm in a position to advise anybody on when they'll speak or when they won't speak.
Okay, it's pretty curious because I am puzzled. Otherwise, Mr. Mecca is pretty upright. On most of the shows, most of the issues, he's pretty upright. But there is clearly a reason why, this issue you believe possibly could put the alliance on the back foot. I do not know. But Neoma, I'll let you come in and then Kailash will get the last word. What happens next, Neoma, on the entire issue? If you're saying Arvind Kejriwal has failed, the Delhi government has failed, maybe the Delhi police, the MHA can intervene, Neoma.
See, that's for Delhi police to take charge. I'm not the spokesperson of Delhi police. I'm here in the capacity of the spokesperson of BJP. I actually, if Swati Maliwal is listening to this, I appeal to her because she's always spoken for the upliftment of women.
Okay.
So today if she speaks, she will empower women. If she doesn't, there are a lot of vulnerable women who are...
Okay, Kailash will get the last 10 seconds. Kailash.
It is now high time that the Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has to come out and not only address this particular issue, but all the other issues. But this is a highly potent issue and a sensitive issue, because if people and if women are not safe within his own party, how can he run a government and how can he assure people?
Okay, I hope Kailash, Arvind Kejriwal is at least watching and he's heard the questions we are all raising. We'll have answers to that. I thank Neoma, Uma and both gentlemen for joining us. Heading into a break. On the other side, back with lots more.